Hello guys, welcome back to Gary Tech Interior. So whenever you are watching this video, kindly subscribe, like, share, comment. So we are on the 25th of this project. Like you can see, we are now doing our first undercoat outside part, as you can see. So it has been quite long since I've not been posting this house, but today I want to show you how how this is the day 25th, and then I show you how amazing we are. So like you can see, we have managed to install these spindles over here, of which I didn't show you, and then even we have done this molding work at this entrance over here, like you can see. So we had to go with just only single pillar, of which is the one that helped us to support the balcony. So, and then we have even done our this pavement over here, of which will come and then install our tiles at the end of the day. So this is another beautiful molding type that we had installed. You can see we are doing our undercoat over this house, and then like you can see, we have done our grilling system of this window over here, and then even we have done molding work on this end of this each and every window for this particular site. So if you want to acquire these services, be it grills, be it molding, be it building services, you can contact us. Our number is on our bio. So I'm going to let you inside, and then I show you. We have done our gypsum work, plastering. I think everything, we are almost the project is almost ending. So this is the beautiful entrance that you can see here. It has these spindles over here, like you can see it on this video. And then this is the corridor, this is the balcony. Like you can see, we go with the gypsum installation. We had installed our gypsum. The only thing maybe it's remaining, we come and then do our painting work after we have done our the undercoat outside of this house. And then like you can see, this is the entrance. Like when you are inside our balcony, you can see this is the beautiful spindles that are over here. So I'm going to let you inside this room, so which when you come inside, you will see this is the sitting room. As you can see, we have done our ceiling design, of which we went with a simple gypsum ceiling design, like you can see over here. This is just the simple to design, like you can see on this video. So as you can see, we have done our grilling system over here, of which we have 2 windows, and the second one is just over here. Our piping, our electrical pointing, as you can see, we have even done our installation of air condition, provision for the air condition, and then there's a double socket at the end over here. And then this is another socket, and then the other for TV, and the other one for aerial outlet antenna. So guys, I forgot to tell you that this is a 2-bedroom house with a 1 bedroom is en suite, and then there's a sitting room over here. We don't have a kitchen inside this house. So on here we have this a bit small corridor that help us to separate between our bedroom 1 and the bedroom 2 at the end over there. So this is the master bedroom, of which this one we considered it to be an ensuite. Like you can see, the toilet is just over here. So this is the design over here, but we are still will come and then install here a little bit small flowers, a designing simple design over at the center, so as to have be it attractive a little bit. So we had done this gypsum, and then we have done just leave it with a drop for snake light only, but at the end of the time we'll come and then do a simple design. So we had gone with 2 windows on this master bedroom, of which the first one is just over here, and the second one is just over here. So we just so we had to put these 2 windows to have let's say a natural light whenever you are using at daylight on this room. So this is the toilet over here. Like you can see, we have done this separation so as to have a difference between where we'll place our wall tiles and where we'll place our paint. And then over here, this is a slab of which we had to put this slab here so as to hold our water tank, of which will be put at the top of this toilet. So we have already done the pointing for the plumbing, like you can see over there. So this is the pointing for the toilet and the Arabic shower, and the other one for the water that will be going towards our toilet. This is the place that we will be draining our water out, and then this is the stopcock that will be operating our shower, of which is over here. And then this is the tap. We always install a tap on toilet, and then this is the provision for the hand basin, of which will be over here, and then it's pointing water intake over here. So guys, if you have watched up to there, kindly consider subscribing, like, share, comment. So I'm going to let you to the second bedroom. So this is the second bedroom. Like you can see, the design is just a flat ceiling design. Like you can see, we have even done 2 windows, of which is the first one is over there and the second one is just over here. So we always do this a bigger window so as to have a natural light when it comes to daylight. We don't advocate to have maybe to switch your light on while you are inside during the daytime. So like you can see, this is the first bedroom. Like you can see, the flat ceiling design we went with. So guys, if you want to acquire these services, our number is on our bio, or you can contact us through 0746 28 9667 0728 9667. We are flexible. We can do this work in each part of this country. If you want to acquire our services, you can just call us. We are readily available when it comes to when you make a call for maybe consultation, or maybe you want to have a building services. So guys, if you have watched up to there, kindly make sure you have subscribed. We are road to 2K subscribers. I hope at the end of this month we'll be at 2K subscribers. So guys, let's meet on the next video, God willing.